I can guess why you clicked on this video. I do not exactly know in what condition you are in now. You may have no idea about the test, so you are just watching for fun. You are maybe starting to explore the SAT, so you want to have an idea about the math section. Or you may have tried solving the SAT test and have found certain issues in math. The thing is that I am feeling you. I understand how you may be understanding, but when you solve a new test, you either mess up or have a number of mistakes that are constant whenever you are solving the math section. Actually, my first experience in SAT was not that appealing. I knew that I needed to take courses before the test. In fact, I spent a lot of money onto different courses with 2 different teachers just in math. When I entered my first official trial, I got a score below my expectations by far. Whenever I solved the math section, I saw the mistakes, saw the correct answer, then moved on to the other. This approach is not bad if you are targeting a good score. But, if you want to maximize your SAT math score, you will need to have a different approach. This approach helped me get a full SAT math score in a later trial. Mastering Math SAT is mastering the topics, and that will be offered by the channel inshallah. You need to target the ideas, the lessons, and the concepts rather than direct solving. If you understand each and every concept needed and solve a bunch of tests, inshallah you can reach the score that you want. This course inshallah will include explanations for these concepts from A to Z. The topics that will be offered inshallah are polynomials, complex numbers, exponents, roots, functions and graph, scatterplot, coordinate geometry, equivalence, circles, equations of circles, trigonometry, triangles, word problems, solving equations, system of equations, inequalities, ratios, units, percentages, logical reasoning, quadrilaterals, mean mode, median, range, percent error, and data analysis. And for Arabs who do not understand English really well, I am thinking of doing this whole course again in Arabic. If you support this idea, tell me in the comments. After this course is done, I am also thinking of uploading the full 10 practice tests explanations. Again, if you support the idea, tell me down in the comments. Before the video finishes, I want to mention one last thing. This course is a general course, meaning that some of the ideas cannot be told here on YouTube. Here the channel inshallah will offer explanations, but tips and tricks on solving and saving time will not be mentioned. Also, this course here is lacking an active to a sided interaction. You are now seeing this video from a one-sided perspective passively. You cannot actually talk or interact that much. So, if you want, you can try my personalized SAT math training for you. I will be hosting a live Zoom meeting with you to study. You will be able to talk, interact, and understand better. You will also have the best approach to studying that is not found here on YouTube. In addition to explaining a topic, we will be practicing together in a PDF that contains questions about this topic exclusively from real official SAT trials. Also, you will be getting the tips and tricks to solve faster and save time during your real trial. Also, you will be receiving multiple reports on your performance and progress through the weeks in addition to the quizzes you will be solving. We will be meeting online regardless of the country that you are in. All you need is a paper, pencil, calculator, internet, and a device. All of this private course is offered at a very fair price. You can choose either you want the training to be public with your friends or with other people, up to 12 in a meeting, or a private meeting, consisting of just me and you. If you want to join, contact me on Instagram, link down in the description. If you reached till here, thank you for your time, and it was a pleasure having you in my channel.